Good morning, everybody. So we are very pleased to invite you and to welcome you on our traditional fair, Hausmesse. The fair this year is very exceptional in terms of the exhibition, in terms of the house we are in, but we have also other very important news and relevant for our company. We have a new CEO on board, and it's my pleasure to introduce you our new CEO, Mr. Per Funk.
And for me as a new CEO, I really have to say that the fair here is really amazing. I have discussed with several clients, and I have to say it is really a good impression, and the products and the show arrived very well. So in this way, I think very good day for our clients. Thank you very much for a really amazing day. It has been a pleasure, and I look forward to see all of you again next year at the Hausmesse 2015.